Welcome to Manistee News, brought to you by Overall Renovations. They've got you covered. We're going to start off with sports today. Go ahead, Zach.
Absolutely. We are heading into tournament time, basically, for spring sports. We have Manistee Catholic track regionals. Their track team has been doing excellent.
Yep.
Well, all the track teams have been doing really good for Manistee.
Yep, they did win their conference title, which is pretty awesome.
Yes, they are conference champs. Their track regionals is at Brethren at 8 a.m. on the 22nd. Moving on, the Manistee boys, the Chippewas, the golf team. We have regionals also coming up. That is June 2nd at Boyne Resort at 9 a.m.
Circling back to track and field, the Manistee Chippewas won their conference championship, and this has been the first time in decades for that, so that's really awesome. Congratulations, boys and girls.
For sure.
For Manistee softball and baseball, we've got the 18th at Ludington. Ludington coming back to Manistee on the 20th, Whitehall on the 25th, and then we're going to be getting into districts in June. Then I guess we're going to jump right into local events.
Sport fishing.
Fishing. We're not
Fishing.
fish. Full disclosure, we're not fishermen.
I kind of fish sometimes.
I don't fish at all. But
Not for what they are fishing for, which is salmon.
the Salmon Derby starts on the 31st.
And goes until...
September 6th, though.
It's a lengthy one.
I guess don't rush. You've got plenty of time to
Catch a
some
big
salmon.
Good luck.
And there are a few other small things on the calendar. We get all of our calendar events from the Manistee County Visitors Bureau. If you want your event talked about on Manistee News and seen by a ton of people, get it on the calendar. You get it on that calendar, we'll talk about it here, but more importantly, people that are coming to town, look at this calendar to find out what's going on. So if you want people to attend your event, get it on the calendar.
Yep. The Spring Big Cup is coming up. That is on the 22nd.
That's at Manistee Golf and Country Club,
Yes.
and I think as of shooting, there was
a couple spots open. Not many, but a couple. So get signed up.
It's fun anyways.
It's super fun. Yeah.
What else we got going on? Oh, big news here in Manistee is the Hampton Inn, the Lakeshore Motel project has been going through a few meetings with the planning committee and the city of Manistee, and now they have a special meeting coming up soon to talk about the changes that they made to the development.
Yep.
A lot of that was per...
A lot of changes.
Yep. If it was asked in the meeting, hey, can you do this? Hey, can you do that? It seems to me like they went back to the drawing board and basically said, yes, we can to everything that, you know, the community was looking for changes on. One of them being a rooftop bar, which I think is a great idea.
That's going to be a great view.
Yeah.
It really is.
It's going to be a good view. Hey, no opinions here other than, hey, the thing is looking like it's moving forward, looking like this development's going to happen, and that's going to kind of dovetail with what's going on at the front end of River Street with the Gateway project. So we'll have more information on that.
Quite a few projects coming up. So
I think it's kind of exciting. Manistee's growing.
it's good. Yeah.
You know, some people don't.
Good
Some
point in
people do.
time.
Summer's going to be fire. And as we're driving into summer right now, we got graduation ceremonies happening for Manistee High School this weekend. My son being 17, he's graduating high school, so I'm dealing with those emotions.
Open houses.
Yeah. And then we're driving right into Memorial Weekend, so
Yeah.
just remember to, I guess, be safe and have fun out there.
We'll have a memorial kickoff here on Manistee News, and other than that, I think that about does it for this week.
Have a great weekend.
Have
Let's
a
get
great
ready for
weekend.
summer.